The weather in Athens today is sunny and warm, but just a few days ago there were predictions of high water and record flooding that sent city officials scrambling to prepare. Newswatch reporter Elise Hammond is live now and is here to tell us how the area is starting to clean up.
That's right, Alex. Places like Athens and Nelsonville were getting together their emergency plan over the weekend, a plan that fortunately they don't need anymore. Nelsonville Fire Department says they spent nearly 5 hours preparing for a flood that never came. 500 sandbags.
Game plan about what we wanted to do and when to do it.
Drake Chilcott of the Nelsonville Fire Department says that game plan included hours of preparation. The plan was to pile the sandbags against the doors of the fire and police stations. Luckily, the Hawking River that sits just feet away from the buildings did not reach flood stage. But now the fire department faces a new challenge: what to do with all the sandbags.
The problem with the sandbags is that they dry rot pretty easily, and then you're just left with a bunch of broken bags and sand.
For now, Brooks says they will keep the bags in front of the building for up to the next 2 weeks. Meanwhile, even though the flooding situation wasn't as bad as predicted, there is still cleaning up to do, according to Jay Carey, who works for the Ohio EMA.
There certainly have been impacts from this thing, but I think for the most part, it's not been as bad as we thought it could have been.
Carey says many roads throughout southern Ohio are still closed because of minor flooding.
Doing as much damage assessment now as we can, but we really need the waters to recede more because we still have roads that are water covered.
He says it is hard to tell the full extent of damages right now.
Situations where you hope for the best and you prepare for the worst.
And Carey says just because the flooding turned out better than expected doesn't mean people shouldn't prepare for the next potential emergency. Now, if the Hawking would have rose to its original prediction of 25 feet in Athens, it would have been the second highest flood event in recorded history. Now the EMA says they will be focusing efforts towards rebuilding. Reporting for Newswatch, I'm Elise Hammond.